What's up guys, the Huawei Mate 30 day is almost here and it's time to look at everything what is new with the Huawei Mate 30 family. We have got full official images as well as real life hands-on and a short unboxing experience, wide range of color leaks as well as full specs sheet. Mate 30 Pro is one of the first device in the world to have 88-degree waterfall screen, so it's actually an HD plus display. We have got Mate 30 on a side of it which has a flat display, so even in real life image we can see that the Huawei has managed to decrease the chin size massively. Both phones are going to have in-display fingerprint scanner, but Mate 30 Pro is also going to have a 3D facial scanner which have been improved a lot as compared to previous Mate 20 Pro. If we talk about the back of the phone, we have tons of live images as well as live hands-on look, and I got to say that it doesn't look that much pretty, but functions matter over the ugliness. The big camera that is taking all the space will going to be insane. It's been confirmed that this phone can shoot 7680 frames per second slow-mo video, and which is incredible. So far the highest smartphone can do is 960 frames, so this is just insane. It's all possible because of the 40 megapixel lens that is inside this monster camera. For the first time, Huawei will be bringing something which is called video night mode. We have seen night mode with the photos and we have seen night mode with the front cameras, but now it's going in a video mode with the help of AI and the latest Crane 990 chip, the new camera sensor, the low light video game will be insane. Along with the video night mode, Huawei will be bringing some major improvements to its normal night mode photos as well. Right now with the initial review we have seen iPhone 11 with some really awesome night mode shots, so I believe Mate 30 Pro can do better than that with that huge camera setup. It also have a professional level of natural depth of field along with the 30x digital zoom. We also have 4 color with the Mate 30 Pro family. We have got the green color, black color, purple, lavender color and the blue color. If I have to choose one from these, I will be going to choose black one. Considering the whole look of Mate 30 Pro, I think the black looks the best. Apart from that, the Mate 30 Pro is coming with 4500 mAh of battery, and it's going to have a record breaking 27 watts of fast charging along with the 40 watts of fast charging out of the box. Everything about this phone is looking really incredible. It's a monster phone indeed, but it's all come to one thing, and that is the software. It's coming with Android 10.0 based on EMUI but without any Google application. So that's all about the Huawei Mate 30 family, and it's an incredible phone, but without any Google service it's going to be very tough. So we will see how everything will play out. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, that will you buy this phone knowing that there will be no Google service? Drop your comments, leave your thoughts, and like the video, subscribe our channel and share it as much as you can. Till next time, peace out.